Hi, welcome to Excel Quick Vids. Today we're going to be taking a look at the range, the deviation, and the variance of a data set. So first we already have our data set over here, and let's start with the range. So first we're going to start an argument by hitting either the plus or the equal sign, and then we're going to use a function called maximum, and we're going to click on our entire data set, and then closing our parenthesis. We are then going to subtract our minimum. So start typing in minimum. There's min right there, exactly what we want. Again, we're going to click on our data set, close our parenthesis, and hit enter. Now this is the range of the data set. This is not the only way to do it. You can also select your data, and here on the home tab, moving all the way over to the editing section, we can sort from smallest to largest. And we can do this manually by starting with a plus sign, clicking on our maximum data point, or the one at the very bottom, subtracting our minimum data point, or the first entry. Enter. As you see, we get the exact same number because we are performing the same function, one with Excel's help and one a little more manually. So now that we have the range, let's move on to the deviation. So again, we're going to start with a plus or an equal sign. And we're going to start typing in the formula right next to it, stdev, and we want to use the S because this is coming from a sample. This is not the entire population. So then it's going to ask us for what we want to find the deviation in. We're going to go ahead and click our entire data set and hit enter, giving us the deviation between points. Now, the variation is also going to start with a plus sign. We're going to start typing in var, and again this is a sample, not the population, so we're going to use var s. Clicking on that, clicking on our entire column, and hitting enter. Now after you've found the deviation, the variance can be found two ways. It can either be found with that formula, or you can simply take your deviation and you can use the up caret symbol, which is shift 6, and then put in 2, because it's just your deviation squared that makes your variance. Hitting enter, we find that it's the exact same number. Alright, good luck.